Can tell this was organized at one point. Well, friends, today's task is not one that I have been looking forward to, but needs to be done. I'm Emily, the Minimalist Mama, and here on my channel we talk about pursuing minimalism with grace. And today my task is to clean out and organize our fridge. I was asked on Instagram not too long ago if I had a fall cleaning list similar to the one I have for spring. And I don't really, because in the past I've done that spring deep cleaning and once a year has been enough for me. But there are some things that should be done more than once a year, including cleaning your fridge. I've gotten kind of lazy about this lately and it shows. It's been looking a little crusty and I kept thinking, you know, I'll get to that eventually, but fate has forced my hand because over the weekend there was this horrible smell emanating from our kitchen. I did another task that I'd really been dreading, which was taking out the trash and recycling things from our built-in trash and recycling and cleaning out the whole cabinet, cleaning out the trash can, and that didn't help. I mean, it did. The trash definitely did smell bad and the cabinet really needed cleaning, but it didn't totally remove the source of this insidious smell. It definitely smells a lot better in here until you open the fridge. When you crack open that fridge, the air that comes out, it's real bad. Take everything out, wipe it all down, clean it all out situation. So I figured if I have to suffer through this, then you should have to suffer with me as well. So here is our fall cleaning task of cleaning out the fridge. I would say enjoy, but that seems a little optimistic. So may the force be with us. Looks fairly innocuous, but the smell is coming. I can tell this was organized at one point. I suspect our smell is emanating from these drawers or something that has leaked and dripped down behind them. Oh dear. Better open a window. Let's start at the top, shall we? Okay, so we've gotten this far and I have not found any obvious culprits of a bad smell. So here we go. Squash doesn't look too good.
while I'm slowly heading back to my apartment. I'm not asking for your thoughts, I'm just thinking out loud in the darkness. Ooh, there's no point 'cause we both know. From here there's nowhere to go. Someone said your heart.
All clean. So, I mean, I haven't done the door. Don't look at that. But look at this. Clean and shiny. Yay. Smells better too.
For you, for you. Times will come again when the wind is blowing in my direction. Still I can't ignore the pain. It's the only thing that tells me I'm breathing. I lost you from the start. Someone said your heart is.
I think I just need to get rid of all the plastic. That's a good place to start. I just signed up for a meal kit subscription called Green Chef, and apparently it's supposed to be the most eco-friendly of meal kit options, but it's kind of ridiculous how much plastic there is. Like, every single item is wrapped in plastic.
Hi, I'm Siri. How can I help you?
What's the best way to store vegetables?
I found this on the web.
Beets, turnips, rutabagas, carrots, parsnips, and ginger are long-term storage superstars because they aren't fussy about where in the fridge you keep them. They don't release much ethylene gas, so you can store root vegetables next to more gas-sensitive produce like leafy greens, cabbages, broccoli, and cauliflower. Okay, so onions and garlic, they say don't refrigerate. They need air circulation, but you need to keep them separate from potatoes. Does that apply to green onions? Apples prefer the cold. I didn't really get an answer about what to do with green onions, so I decided to just chop them up and put them in the freezer. That way I don't have to worry about them going bad or smelling up the fridge. Are you ready to see the final cleaned and organized fridge? So as we use up the meal kits, this whole space in the middle will obviously free up, which is great. And the top shelf will basically empty out. And then down here we've got bread and we've got little snacky kind of containers of things in there. And then beverages, sour cream because I don't know where else to put it. And then meats and cheeses, all nice and cozy. And let me show you fruits and then vegetables. And over here, it's a little bit more organized. We've got spicy things and sauces here, pickles, and sauerkraut seem to go well together, and then That's where the Parmesan would fit. And then frequently used condiments up here. I don't love having meat up here, but at least it is in this container. So I hopefully don't have to worry about it leaking too much. And we definitely got to work on eating our leftovers. Speaking of leftovers, I found some chocolate cake in the fridge, so I'm gonna enjoy that now while I enjoy my sparkling clean fridge. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope it gave you some motivation if you also need to clean out your fridge. If you liked it, feel free to give it a thumbs up and leave a comment down below, and I will see you next Friday.